Very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome to St. Angels Public School Bagpat. As you know that we are working from our home. So my dear students, today we are going to discuss again chapter number 4, elasticity of demand. As you know that in my previous video we have discussed elasticity of demand, and you know that there are three dimensions of elasticity of demand. First, price elasticity of demand. Second, income elasticity of demand, and third, cross elasticity of demand. But according to our syllabus, means we have discussed price elasticity of demand only. According to our syllabus criteria, we have discussed price elasticity of demand only. And today in today class we will discuss degrees of price elasticity of demand, because you know that what do you mean by price elasticity of demand? Price elasticity of demand refers to percentage change in quantity demanded with respect to percentage change in price. So this is the definition of price elasticity of demand, and we have discussed also means a formula of price elasticity of demand means ED is equal to minus delta Q divided by delta P into P by Q. This is the formula of price elasticity of demand according to proportionate method. But today we are going to discuss degrees of price elasticity of demand. So first degree of price elastic demand is perfectly elastic demand. See, perfectly elastic demand means ED is equal to infinite, or you can say infinite. See, what do you mean by this? Listen carefully. When demand changes but price does not change, when demand changes but price does not change, then price elasticity of demand will be perfectly elastic, and perfectly elastic, or you can say, and demand curve will be horizontal, straight line or parallel to x axis. So this is the definition of perfectly elastic demand. Means when demand changes, means this is the most important. When demand changes but price does not change, then price elasticity demand will be perfectly elastic. Means always remember कि जब डिमांड चेंज हो लेकिन प्राइस में कोई चेंज ना हो, मीन्स प्राइस कांस्टेंट हो, डिमांड आइदर इंक्रीज हो जाए या फिर डिक्रीज हो जाए, ठीक है, तो उस केस में डिमांड प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी डिमांड कैसी होगी? परफेक्टली इलास्टिक डिमांड मींस ईडी इज इक्वल टू infinite. Then means we will try to understand this definition with the help of schedule and diagram. See, take price in rupees and quantity demanded in units. See, suppose initial price rupee 10 and initial quantity 100 units, and you know that price remains constant, means price does not change, so remain 10, and quantity increases from 100 to 200 units, increase from 100 to 200. See diagram. Take price here and quantity demanded in units. See, you know that means price is an independent variable and quantity demanded is a dependent variable. That's why price is measured on the y-axis and quantity demanded measured on the x-axis. See, initial price is rupee 10 and initial quantity is 100, but see, price remains constant but quantity increases from 100 to 200 units. 100 to 200. See, so demand curve will be parallel to x-axis. Demand curve will be parallel to x-axis or horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis. I hope all of you know that meaning of the horizontal straight line parallel to x-axis. You can select horizontal straight line or parallel to x-axis. See, now see, ED is equal to infinity, is equal to infinite in case of perfectly elastic demand. Case of perfectly elastic demand. See, now we will try to prove this. We will try to prove this ED is equal to infinity with the help of this formula. See, ED is equal to, you know that, minus delta Q divided by delta P into P by Q. This is the formula of price elasticity of demand. See, this is initial price, so we will take this P, and this is a new price means P1. This is initial quantity means Q. This is a new quantity means Q1. See, ED is equal to minus delta Q means Q1 minus Q. Q1 minus Q. So 200 minus 100 means 100. Delta P means P1 minus P. See, you know that according to my previous video, P1 delta P means P1 minus P. So 10 minus 10 is equal to 0, and P means initial P is 10. Initial P is 10 and initial quantity is Q means 100. So ED is equal to minus, this will become 1000 and this will become 0, and any positive value divided by 0 will be infinite. And see, this negative sign means you will not consider this minus infinity, but you will consider only positive infinity, because this negative sign shows an inverse relationship between price and quantity. So I hope means there is no importance of negative sign here. There is no importance of a negative sign of there is no importance of negative sign, because here this negative sign just only shows negative or an inverse relationship between price and demand. See, price and demand. See, so ED is equal to infinity. We have proved this. Means ED is equal to infinity. अगर आपसे कोई पूछे कि डिमांड मीन्स प्राइस अगर कांस्टेंट रहता है और डिमांड आइदर इंक्रीज हो जाती है या फिर डिक्रीज हो जाती है, तो प्राइस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड विल बी perfectly elastic demand, and ED is equal to infinity, or you can say, and in this situation demand curve will be parallel to x-axis. Always remember, someone may ask from you, means please tell me demand curve under perfectly elastic demand. Under the situation of perfectly elastic demand, you will say like this: horizontal straight line or parallel to x-axis. So this is the first degree of price elasticity of demand. First degree of price elastic demand is perfectly elastic demand. Perfectly elastic demand means in ED is equal to infinity. ED is equal to infinity. And in ED is equal to infinity means, or you can say perfectly elastic demand means when demand changes but price does not change. When demand changes but price does not change. Please pause the video and note down this. See, next elasticity, second, means second degree of price elastic demand is perfectly inelastic demand. Inelastic demand means ED is equal to 0. See, what do you mean by this? When there is no change in demand with respect to change in price, with respect to change in price, then price elasticity of demand, then price elasticity of demand will be perfectly inelastic, and demand curve will be vertical straight line, or parallel to y-axis. So this is the definition of perfectly inelastic demand. Please pause the video and note down this. See, mark this line. No change in demand, but change in price. See, take here price in rupees and quantity demanded in units. Suppose initial price is rupee 10 and initial quantity demanded 100 units. See, no change in demand but change in price. Change in price means either increase in price or decrease in price. Change in price means either increase in demand or increase in price or decrease in price. See, suppose price increases from rupee 10 to rupee 20, but quantity demand remains constant. So this is the schedule. This will be schedule for this explanation. See, diagram of this. See, demand curve will be vertical straight line or parallel to y-axis. See, price is measured on the y-axis and quantity demanded on the x-axis. This is the x-axis, this is the origin. See, initial price is rupee 10 and initial quantity is 100 units. How many units? 100 units. Now price increases from rupee 10 to 20, but quantity remains constant. So demand curve will be vertical straight line or parallel to x-axis. Parallel to y-axis. See, ED is equal to 0. Now to prove this, please use the formula of ED is equal to minus delta Q divided by delta P into P by Q. See, this is P and this is new P1. P1 means new price, and this is Q and this is Q1. Q1 means new quantity. Q1 means new quantity and Q means initial quantity. See, ED is equal to minus delta Q means Q1 minus Q. Q1 minus Q means 0. Delta P means P1 minus P means 10 into P means 10 and Q means 100. So this will become 0 and this will become 1000, and see, 0 divided by any positive value will be equal to 0. So I hope all of you have understood this. Means ED is equal to 0 means you will ignore this sign, because you know that this sign shows that an inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. That's why we are taking here minus sign. But there is no need to take negative sign here, because means there is no importance of this negative sign, there is no importance of this negative, so negative sign, so it's up to you. आप चाहो तो इसको ले भी सकते हो और आप चाहो तो इसको नहीं भी ले सकते, ठीक है, इट्स अप टू यू बस। लेकिन एट द एंड आपको इस साइन को क्या करना है, इग्नोर करना है। तो ईड इक्वल टू क्या आ गया बेटा, जीरो। सी ईड इज इक्वल टू जीरो मीन्स परफेक्टली इनइलास्टिक डिमांड, एंड परफेक्टली इनइलास्टिक डिमांड मीन्स there is no change in demand with respect to change in price, means no change in demand. Perfectly inelastic means no change in demand but change in price, and demand in this means in perfectly inelastic demand, in perfectly inelastic demand situation, demand curve will be parallel to y axis, parallel to y axis or vertical straight line. So always remember this second degree of price elasticity of demand. Please pause the video and note down this. See next degree, unitary elastic demand.